Nourishing the Body and Soul, a comprehensive guide to healthy eating from age 20 to 70. Healthy eating is a lifelong journey that begins in our 20s and continues to evolve as we progress through the various stages of life. It's not just about fitting into a particular dress size or maintaining a certain weight. It's about nurturing our bodies, supporting our physical and mental well-being, and increasing our quality of life. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the key principles of healthy eating, tailored to the needs of individuals from age 20 to 70, as they navigate the various phases of adulthood. Number 1 is healthy eating in your 20s. Building a strong foundation. Number 2, the importance of balanced nutrition. Number 3, the role of macronutrients and micronutrients. Number 4, meal planning and portion control. Number 5, staying hydrated. Number 6, the significance of regular exercise. Number 7, navigating your 30s, adapting to change. Number 8, nutritional requirements in your 30s. Number 9, managing a busy lifestyle. Number 10, strategies for weight management. Number 11, the role of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods. Number 12, maintaining muscle mass and bone health. Number 13, maintaining health in your 40s. Hormonal changes and dietary adjustment. Number 14, the impact of hormonal changes on metabolism. Number 15, special dietary considerations for women. Number 16, the role of whole grains and fibre. Number 17, heart-healthy fats and cardiovascular health. Number 18, incorporating functional foods. Number 19, balanced eating in your 50s, navigating midlife challenges. Number 20, managing chronic health conditions. Number 21, nutritional support for cognitive health. Number 22, the importance of a colourful plate. Number 23, managing weight and metabolism. Number 24, the significance of hydration and adaptogens. Number 25, dietary wisdom for your 60s. Aging gracefully with good nutrition. Number 26, special considerations for older adults. Number 27, maintaining muscle mass and bone density. Number 28, supporting immune function. Number 29, mindful eating and portion control. Number 30, staying socially engaged and active. Number 31, healthy eating beyond 70, sustaining vibrant health. Number 32, nutritional needs in the golden years. Number 33, the role of supplements. Number 34, elderly care and nutrition.